Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kat. In this workout, we're going to be strengthening our obliques and our back, and there's a few little stretches in there for you. If you need a full body mobility routine, then I'm going to link the video up here, down below in the description. And when you're ready, then let's get to it. So we're going to start by strengthening our back and our core. Come onto your 4-point kneeling position. So index fingers facing forward. Spread your fingertips. Knees are underneath your hips. Draw your core up and in. We're just going to mobilize our spine first. So inhale here. You're going to tilt your pubic bone towards your belly button and you're going to round your spine. Inhale here. And as you exhale, you're going to come back into that natural spine curve. And again. Inhale, tilt that pubic bone, flex your whole spine, push that floor away. And exhale, come back. One more time. Flex. And let's bring it back. Let's start to just wiggle our hips from side to side. You can do this at any speed you like. Just think about lengthening your sit bones towards the wall behind you to really stretch out that QL. And then if you can, let's just start to circle our tailbone. And reverse. Lovely. Come back into that natural spine curve. From here, pull your core up and in so your spine is supported. Make sure you're lengthening out through the crown of the head and tailbone in opposition. Push that floor away so you're nice and active in the upper body. Inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to extend your left arm out. Bring it back. Over to the opposite side. We're going to push that floor away with our left arm. Extend the right arm out. And bring it back. Over to the opposite side. Exhale, extend. Lift it up to shoulder height if you feel comfortable. Push that floor away and bring it underneath. And again. Over to this side. Last one, make sure you even out. And over. We're going to come into back leg extension, so when you're ready, inhale here. As you exhale, let's extend your left leg out and bring it underneath. Over to the opposite side. Exhale, extend, and back. So as you extend, notice whether or not your hips lift up. Can they remain nice and level towards that floor, and bring it back. As you extend, see if you can connect the two hip bones together to avoid your hips lifting up. And back. Last one. And back. On your next one, let's extend both opposite arm and leg. When you're ready, inhale here. Exhale, extend. If you feel comfortable, then lift your arms up. Take a breath in at the top. Keep pushing that floor away. Then exhale, come back. Over to the opposite side. Exhale, extend. Opposite arm and leg. Push that floor away. Flex your feet and lift it up to hip height. Take a breath in. And exhale, come back. Over to the opposite side. Let's hold it here for an extra breath. So inhale here. Then exhale, let's come back. Over to the opposite side. Lift. Breathe in. And down. One more time on each side. Exhale, extend. Flex your feet. Maybe see if you can lift it up a little bit higher without your lower back arching. And let's bring it back. Over to the opposite side. Lift up, push that floor away. Reach up for your fingertips and heel. Maybe lift your leg up a little bit higher. Keep your core tight. And let's bring it all the way back down. This time you're going to extend your right leg out. Come onto your toes. Push that floor away. Keep your core tight. You're going to bend your left arm. Place it behind your head. Lift your elbows up nice and high. Inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to rotate over to your open side. Take a breath in. And exhale, come back. And again. Exhale, twist from that upper back. Make sure your hips don't dip and they're still level. And bring it back. We got one more. Exhale, open up. Push that floor away. Inhale here. Exhale, come back. Bring it underneath your hips and shoulder, over to the opposite side. Extend that left leg out. Bend your right elbow, push the floor over with your left arm. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's twist all the way open from that upper back. Bring it back. And again. Exhale, open up. And back. Last one. And let's bring it all the way back. If you want to send your hips down, and walk your hands along the mat. Take a breath in here. Lift your elbows up so they're nice and active. Breathe into that back body. On your next exhale, let's slowly restack our spine. Lower back, upper back, head last, and roll the shoulder back. We're going to come onto our side and strengthen our obliques, our whole side body. So come onto your knees, extend your one leg out, and if you need a cushion, place one underneath your knee. So you're going to interlace your hands and place it in front of your head. Turn the palms out, relax your shoulder, open up the elbows. So in this line, your shoulders are stacked over your hips, knees. Inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to lean all the way over. So think about lengthening out as you bend all the way over. Take a big breath in and exhale, bring it all the way back. And again, exhale, let's lean all the way over, lengthen out that spine. Bring it all the way back and again. Maybe go a little bit further if you can, and back. And back. Last one. And let's bring it all the way back. Take a breath in. On your next exhale, we're going to come all the way back out again. From here, take a big breath in. As you exhale, you're going to extend your arms out. Bring it back to your forehead, and again. Extend and back. Use your breath. We got two more. Last one. Bring it all the way back. Take a big breath in. And exhale all that air out. And on your next one, we're going to come all the way back out again. So inhale here. Exhale, let's come all the way over. Take a big breath in. As you exhale, let's think about twisting from your upper back towards that floor. Make sure everything else stays nice and straight. So you're twisting from here and back. And again, inhale here. Exhale, maybe twist a little bit more if you can. And back, we got two more. Last one. And let's bring it all the way back. Extend your right arm up. You're going to bend all the way over. And let's stretch all the way over to the opposite side. And again, lift up and over. Really sink into your knee here. And back. Over to the opposite side. Lift up and over. And back. Let's come over to the opposite side. So stack it. Place a cushion underneath your knee if you need the support. Bring the other leg out. Core is tight. Hips are stacked over your knee. And your ribs are stacked over your hips. Interlace your hands. Place it in front of your head. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's lean all the way over. Lengthen out that spine. And bring it back. And again. Exhale. Inhale here. Then exhale, bring it back. We got two more. And back. Last one. And back. On your next one, we're going to come all the way back out again. Exhale, let's come all the way back out. Hold it there. Inhale here. Exhale, let's extend the arms out and bring it back. And again, let's extend. And back. Maybe go a little bit further if you can. Last one. Bring it all the way back. Take a breath in. And exhale. Good. On your next exhale, let's come all the way back out again. Inhale here. Exhale, let's twist from our upper back now towards that floor. And back. And again. Bend all the way over and twist. And back. Last one. Inhale here. And exhale, come back. Restack that spine. Bring your left arm up this time. Let's reach up and over. Sink into that knee towards that floor. Really enjoy that stretch. Bring it all the way over. Lift your right arm up and bring it all the way over to the opposite side. And back. Lift up and over. And back. Last one. Lift up and over. So come onto the floor. So option 1 is if you want to have your knees stacked, your ankles stacked. Shoulders stacked over your wrists. Spread your fingertips. So remember, 50-pound note between your armpit and you're pushing that floor away. Place your hands on top of your hip. Option 2 is if you want to have your top leg straight. And option 3 is if you have both of your legs out straight. Up to you. I'll show you the middle version. So when you're ready, inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to lift up. Make sure your hips are stacked. They're not leaning backwards and they're not leaning forwards. Bring it all the way back. And again. Exhale, lift up. Push that floor away with your arm and bring it back. And again. We got 2 more. Last one. And bring it all the way back. On your next one, we're going to come all the way back up again. Bring your arms with you. You're going to bend all the way over. Inhale here. As you exhale, you're going to come all the way halfway down, arms towards your hip, and bring it all the way over again. And again. We got 2 more. Keep pushing that floor away. Last one. And let's bring it all the way back down. On your next one, let's come all the way back up again. So you're pushing that floor away. You're going to extend your top leg out. And then let's bring it all the way up higher and back down to hip height. And again. So here, push that knee into that floor. You're pushing the floor out and away. So your upper body is active. Use this glute to lift that leg up. So this is a full body workout here. We got another 2. Flex your feet. Last one. Bring it back. Let's come all the way over to the opposite side. Stack your shoulders over your wrists. So whatever version you chose before, whether that is your knees stacked, top leg is straight, or both legs straight, up to you. 50-pound note between that armpit. Inhale here. Exhale, let's lift up and bring it back. So here I'm showing you option 1. And again, if you're doing option 2, choose to do that side. We got 1 more. Good. On your next one, let's come all the way back out again. Bring your arms all the way over. Try and connect your bottom rib and hip together. Then exhale, let's come halfway, arms towards your knee. Bring it all the way over and back. And again. Exhale. Last one. And back. Come all the way down towards that floor. This last exercise, we're going to have both our legs out. Top leg is straight. Inhale here. Exhale, let's lift that hip up. When you're ready, inhale here. You're going to lift it up to hip height, flex your feet. Exhale, let's lift it up a little bit higher. And make sure that this distance stays exactly the same between your hip and your rib. So think about extending out through that heel. We got another 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring it all the way down towards that floor. So you can come on your knees or you can have your legs crossed, up to you. Place your hands on top of your knees. Let's inhale here. Exhale, let's round. Look at your belly button. And let's come all the way back up. And again, round. And up. Last one. Slide your hands along the floor. Take a big breath in. And slowly restack that spine. Nice and slow. Lengthen it through, crown the head and roll the shoulder back. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little routine. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know which movement you enjoyed the most. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on that little notification bell because that lets you know when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one.